Thanks to everyone that participated, contributed, and facilitated this exchange. We know it's been very different than usual years, but the support and participation we have gotten from both schools was absolutely incredible. Also, thanks to everyone at home who watched and followed us on YouTube.
And especially for Year 12s, I know it's really upsetting that this is how our last exchange had to play out, but I'm really glad that we've been able to make the most of it. And I think that means a massive props to Vic and Lex for keeping the spirit alive and everyone engaged. And I know we're all still really excited for everyone else still at Mac.Rob and their exchange experiences to come.
Thanks, Carly and Tara. I also want to give my thanks to everyone from both schools who has been involved in the exchange this week, whether that be through participating in the Life of Australia, through participating in the other sports and events, or through watching and engaging with our exchange videos that have been shared. Normally at our farewell assembly, we recognise and thank all of our Year 12s for their contributions to the exchange and send them off with really great wishes, and we still do that this year. In particular, I would like to mention Orly, Lexi, Vic, Michaela, Amelia M, Steph P, Kylie W and Lily, who have all been involved in the exchange during each of their 4 years at Mac.Rob, which is just a phenomenal effort. Usually we also award our most valuable players for each sport at our farewell assembly. In the spirit of this year's exchange, which was all about participation and connection, we have chosen not to do this. However, I do need to mention Lexi and Vic, our Mac.Rob sport captains. They have both put in an incredible amount of work behind the scenes over the past few months to ensure that they had an event to honour the exchange. Their leadership has been exceptional. They have been so proactive, and they've shown maturity beyond their years. They've dealt with multiple setbacks in such a positive manner and have just been incredibly innovative with their thinking. I think it's fair to say, Lexi and Vic, you are our true MVPs this year. I would also like to give a little thanks to our sport rep team for their help in setting up the exchange, to our sport coaches, to Miss Albeidi for her help with the Mac.Rob debate, to our debating, music and drama portfolio captains for coordinating their team's events, and to everyone who participated in an event filmed at school or who shared a memory to contribute to our welcome assembly. A reminder too, our Life of Australia is continuing, so don't forget to keep active and well. Thank you.
And that's a wrap. Thank you all very much for tuning in.
We wish Mac.Rob all the best for the exchange in 2021. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.